Hey guys, our decline here, average picker. So we are going to see if we can't get the free Fallin lock from Fast Charlie. Picked here tonight. It's kind of late, but we'll see. He sent this one to me, and he pinned this one up. We've got his little FC there, knocked up on the core. Feels like we're going to find a lot of serrations in this. We've got a little bit of movement on the core there. I believe it's 6 pins. God, it feels like it's not really hanging on by anything. A little bit of counter rotation. I really hope I didn't just overset that one. Not sure if I should have. You know, sometimes you start chasing counter rotation. Oh, I just dropped stuff. You start chasing counter rotation and you think, oh, this is going down a bad road. Maybe that pin feels bound, but it doesn't feel bound like it wants to pick. Feels more bound up, like the key pin just doesn't want to go past the shear lines. Okay, pretty sure that's what happened. I relaxed tension on it to drop it, and we did get it to drop, but dropped a few others in the process. It really feels like it's right there. We're using the Attila. I'm going to switch to the Tron. So it lets me feel out the pins a little bit better. Oh, there we go. There we go. I knew it. Just, what's the time at? 3 minutes? And it felt like everything was right there, like there was just a tiny thread holding it on. Okay, what have we got? Oh, got one of these. Let's get this off of here. Oh, yeah, I can lock it up. We do have a key. There's our bidding on it. And we've got a pretty nasty looking C-clamp, which is coming off much easier than I expected. So yeah, that came off and onto the floor. Yeah, sometimes you think I probably shouldn't be gutting a lock right now because I'm a little tired. All right, so I probably should shim this, but I'm just gonna kind of rotate it some and try to ride that line out. Wait, did he say use a shim? Best use a shim, which means I have to locate the shim. Okay. I see why. I guess something could potentially fall in there. I can't get the shim in though. Okay, there we go, maybe. shim's not making, oh. Shim is not making very good noises there. You know what, it says the best to use a shim. What if we went for worst? I think best just means good idea to. It doesn't mean we have to. Yeah, guys, I can't get the shim in there. I think I'm going to just try to ride it out. And we'll see what we get here. So wish me luck. Go good and slow. There we go. There we go. Okay. I'll try to get it a little bit here on cam, but we'll, as usual, flip the thing around. I really need a new shim. Oh. Okay, these are some interesting looking pins, guys. Okay, so this explains pin 5, or was it? Yeah, pin 6 is a pretty big pin and pin job. 5, we've got a standard, a sort of spoolie guy. And 4, 3 is a standard. 2 looks like he's going to be a, yep. 2, we've got a pin and pin guy. Oh, I should have paid more attention. It's a little bit beveled edge there. Man, guys, wait till you see this. These are pretty awesome looking, actually. Okay, so let's see what we got. Oh, wait, we left something in there. There we go. These are pretty awesome looking pins, guys. Actually, yeah. So chamber 6. Five. 4. You know what? I don't think I'm reassembling this tonight, so I better flip these around correctly. 3. 2. And 1. Let's see if we got anything. I really feel like we're gonna find some cuts in here. But I actually don't seem to be. Oh gosh. Lost a little spring, little steel guy. Check this thing out real quick. Yeah, I was really expecting to find the core and or the Bible having some undercuts or something on it, because picking it, you could really feel the serrations hanging up. So anyway, I'm going to flip the camera around real quick and we'll see what we've got. Okay, so let's see. Down there in our core, we have some really crazy pin and pin jobs. You know, it's funny, I just saying I'd never really picked one of these before. Pin and pin stuff, and now we've gotten 2 in a row with them. So I can slide that in there. Trying to do this through the camera is a little difficult. There we go. See how that guy goes together. Awesome little pin there, Charlie. Standard. This guy. Very nice, but overshadowed by the other ones, right? I remember once a review of Mission of Burma's. That's when I reached for my revolver, and they said it was the worst song they could have written because it made all their other great songs not sound as good. And I guess that's what this poor little guy's got going for him. He is an excellent little pin, but sadly he's a little overshadowed. So we've got this guy, and I don't know if you can see that. He's actually got a tiny little cut on him. I mean, it's bigger than a serration. It would definitely hang up. And he was a pin and pin, and you know what? Unfortunately, I can't remember which way he was. I believe he was like that. And then we've got this guy, another pin and pin. I have really got to learn how you guys do these. I love the idea of pin and pins. I think they're really neat. Mostly just because they're so tiny. That sounded a lot worse than it was. I knew exactly where he went. And then up top, I'll take a look at some of these guys. That was our 1 and 6. And 5. So we had no pin and pins up top. Let's jump over here, look at 3. And we'll come here and look at 1. So I've got some little tiny serrations there. And I'm not doing good tonight with the tweezers. And that's our 2 guy. He's very similar-ish to 1, though not quite as many. So yeah, man, Charlie, I appreciate all the locks again. This is certainly keeping me quite busy. So, all right, you guys have a good one, and we will, I don't know, maybe take a day off and get something done other than just picking locks. But see you soon.